pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey everybody, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a review for you guys. If you're brand new, hi! I'm so very glad you clicked on this video. I do hope you'll stay, even though I get frustrated in this video. But hey, we gotta be real, right? I'm doing a review on the Tartelette Juicy Amazon Clay palette. That is $45. You can pick it up at Ulta. That is where I got mine. And well, this video is kind of a little bit all over the place, but you'll see why. Alright guys, so if you want to see how I got this look and what I think of this palette, just keep on watching. Guys, I'm still working with a new camera, so I'm just letting you know that things may not focus at certain times, and I apologize for that in advance. But I am excited. If you're new here, hi! I'm so glad you clicked on this video. And if you are joining me again, thank you so much for coming back. I have the new Tarte Amazon Clay, what is it, Juicy palette, and it's like gorgeous and it smells so good. Okay, well, let me just tell you the exact name of it. Amazonian Clay Eyeshadow Palette, Tartelette Juicy. Yes, we've got our mauves, our wines, our roses, whatever you want to call these on here, and then we've got our neutrals, our browns, so you can create a really, really good look. I'm thinking with this palette, and I'm hoping the formula is their usual awesome formula. This was a $45 palette, and it is new. So we are reviewing it today, and I am excited to be able to do this for you guys. I am going to grab some brushes here. And let's start off with the Luxie brush. And, oh, you know what we need? MAC paint pot first. Don't know what I was thinking. Let's get some on the other side of this Luxie brush. And this is in Bare Study. And I'm wondering what colors I should use. If I should go in with the browns or if I should go in with the mauve-y kind of rosy colors. Alright, let's see. Let's start off with Charmed. I'm going to try to put, ooh, there's Kick Up. I'm going to try to put the colors on the screen for you. Really. Charmed is a light matte. Actually, it looks darker in the pan than what it does on the eye. And it's blending okay. Not too bad. I kind of feel like the product is sticking to the area that I'm putting it. Maybe I should have set my primer. Usually you don't have to set MAC paint pot, but sometimes with certain shadows, it helps to do it. Like that velvety hourglass, you know, just kind of, it glides on, then the shadows kind of glide and blend really neat. Okay, so, I'm not liking the way that that's coming out. So we are going to go in with a different brush, and I'm getting to the point where I really need to wash them. But anyway, we're going to go back in with Charmed on this brush here, and we're going to see if we can build it up and get some good color here. Oh, I'm so excited to be sitting in front of the camera. Again, it's been a couple of days since I have really hung out with you guys. I've been uploading videos, but I haven't really done premieres, so I'm excited to be able to do that. If you guys didn't see my latest video on the Boxycharm spoilers, I added a link to that video to the latest spoiler that came out after I did that video. And it is a palette, what is it called? Barbella, I think it was. And it's a European company makes that, and it's a $50 value. So if you do check out that video, check out the link underneath there and you'll get to see that palette. Alright, so I am not feeling that color. So I'm going to go in with this darker brown, which is called Euphoric. And we're going to put that in the crease. Yeah, that's much better. Much, 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 much better. It's blending out just fine. There is some kick up. And I'm excited to be doing a neutral kind of look for you guys. But I may throw some color in here. We'll see. We will see. It looks like it's just going to take me a minute to blend this brown the way that it really needs to be blended. And I gotta be honest with you, my Jaclyn Hill brushes seem to work the best with shadows. So, I don't know about this. Get it nice and dark. It'll make your hooded eyes look bigger. Let's see. We're definitely going to have to do a cut crease, I think, today. But you know what? I'm not sure if I've got a crease brush or a concealer brush available. We'll have to see. Huh. I used the Makeup Forever foundation today. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I like that. I think that I need crazy brushes. I usually throw them in here right after I use them once. And you can use them more than once. And I might have to start doing that again. But I am pulling out my Jaclyn Hill Master Brush that I absolutely love and I talk about pretty much in almost every video. This is going to blend these shadows better than anything that I have been using. And yeah, it just works so much better. Yep, it really does. But I still have some blending to do here. Okay, so next time I try this palette, I'm going to go in with concealer or MAC Paint Pot and set it and see if the colors blend easier. Because I'm really having a hard time blending this out flawlessly. And that should not be, especially with Tarte formula. Okay, let me see what else is in here. Digging through my brushes. Alright. Let's put this back down. Okay. I can't. I have to blend. I'm like, what the heck?
One eternity later.
I'm gonna have to play around with some stuff. Guys, if you get this palette, you may want to stay. Well, you're gonna want to try everything. You may end up returning it. Let's just be honest. I think we are just going to leave it like this. And then I am going to go in with concealer and we're going to go in with the Dose of Colors concealer. And we're going to carve this out. Then we're going to wipe off the color on the makeup pad that I have down here, or you can use a paper towel if you want. And then we're going to put a shimmer here. And I think what we'll do is we'll use the other side of this brush, or maybe I'll use... Alright, we're going to try the Urban Decay brush. And that's what we're going to do. And we're going to put some setting spray on this, and we're going to go into this really beautiful color called Reflect. And we're going to stamp it in here. Yeah, see, that's super pretty. I'm liking that. Yeah, we want this to work. Oh, okay. Woo-wee! Okay, now we want to blend. That's a pretty color. I'm liking that. Definitely. Let's see. Okay. I love doing makeup tutorials. Here we are. Let's just say things are not going as smoothly as what I want them to. Like, I have an issue when things don't blend. Okay. Yeah. All right. We are going to switch things up a little bit, I think. Let's try Dream Chaser. Use the other side of this brush and some setting spray. Okay. That's a pretty color. Super pretty and dark. I like that. I always love a dark eye. Darker on the outer parts of the eye. Really makes them look bigger and it defines things. Let's take this blending brush and see if it'll blend that out. It's lightening it a lot though. Okay. Okay, that's not bad. I'm going to put a little bit more of this color out here, and I think I might even take it in and change the way that this look is going, because this shade seems to blend so much better than what the browns did. All right, now I'm starting to feel better about this. You might want to stay away from the browns. Alright, we're extending the shadow a little bit. And really what I'm doing is adding color and changing this entire look, basically. But I felt it was necessary. And sometimes it is. Okay. Totally different eye. Yeah! Alright, so I kind of want to put something else here. And I'm thinking some setting spray and Orchid, I think this is, yeah, Orchid. Let's do that. Get a little bit of a lighter shimmer right here. That's pretty. That is a really pretty color. Okay, I'm feeling better about this palette. Getting a little nervous. Oh. Okay, I really do need to wash my brushes. It is a definite, Karen. You cannot do another video with this little amount of brush. Now that I've changed my eye look pretty completely, I want to go in and do a brow bone highlight because I'm just feeling it at this point right now. And we're going to take this crown pencil brush and we're going to put some setting spray on it. And we're going to take this color Water Lily. And we're just going to put it right here. Kind of blend it down. That is a very pretty color. It's not as bright as I thought it would be. Oh, there we go. Let's kind of blend that in here. Yeah, much better. Now, I'm going to dip this straight down in that, and I'm going to do a inner corner highlight with it. Here we are. Kind of swoop that up.
Leave my phone there.
Yes, that is good. Okay, now I want a Farrah blending brush, and we're just going to kind of blend that in to my look so everything looks like it belongs together. Yes, definitely. Okay, I need, before I do anything else, I have got to check the shape of my eye and how I want this to come out and all that wonderful fun stuff. And yeah, I'm gonna go in with some black liner. Alright, so obviously I changed my entire look with this palette because the browns were not blending like I feel that they should have, but I do think this palette needs a second review. I wouldn't run out and buy it. I'm gonna be honest with you. And I did try Halsey's lip paint again. After a lot of shaking and a lot of applying, it's not as bad as what it was when I first tried it on in the Ipsy video. There is some areas where the pigment is not as dark as the other, and that irritates me. Overall, it's a pretty color though. Anyway, back to this palette. It smells great. The packaging is adorable, but I'm gonna be honest, it is not one of their best so far. I will definitely do another look for you guys, but as you can see, I completely changed my look from using the browns to using the colors up here, and it worked a lot better that way. So overall, I'd have to say that right now, don't run out and buy it. Wait to see, and I will try a different primer next time, and we will see how it goes. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. I really do appreciate every single one of you guys, and I'll see you real soon in another video. Bye!